Hi, in front of me is ASUS Zenfone 8 and today I would like to show you how you can disable all notifications from chosen apps on this ASUS. First of all, open Settings and tap on Apps and Notifications. Then you need to scroll down, click on Notifications over here and scroll down again. Click on See All from last 7 days and select one of your apps like Send Anywhere. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from Send Anywhere will be disabled. You can turn them back on by tapping at the same switcher. But you can also tap on one of your apps like Google and manage notifications over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!